check your brakes. It could be a visual inspection, or when you're driving and when you're pressing on the brake, it can. If you hear any noises, that means either your brakes is worn out, which means that you can replace brakes, which is I'll say it's cheap, not that expensive.
Normally you will feel it in your
You'll
car.
feel it.
So let's say you start braking, your car will kind of shake. And also, there's very easy to inspect brakes. You just go to the brakes pads with a flashlight, and you see a little bit of.
Do you want to show us?
Yeah, I can totally show
Yeah.
you. So here's the brake pad, right? And I can tell just by looking at this. This is about 3 millimeters. And also another way to check your rotors.
Is that the rotor
This
Yes.
that you're
the rotor.
touching?
Yeah, that's the
this is
rotor.
And the pad's like right here.
Yeah. And then behind
Right
it,
here.
and then the thing that's holding it is brake calipers.
Yeah.
But like an actual is like in-depth inspection. You can just like take off the tire, and then there's this tool that we use to measure
The inside, the
inside and outside of the brake. Yeah, so this is a tool that we use to actually visualize like in-depth inspection. This is used to measure the brake pads and the brake to see if they're good. So green means it's good, yellow means it's like worn out, and then red means it's bad, which means you need to get them replaced immediately.
So you just basically try to put it flat where the pad is, and you measure it, and just by putting it there, I can tell is 5 millimeters, and you can see the measure right here.
5 millimeters means it's still
It's like half life.
It's half life, yeah, but that means that you need to replace it soon.